guys, so today's video is going to be a Truong clothing haul, and before I forget, I want to say that I am going to list the giveaway winners to my 2 giveaways that have ended like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I will list the winners in the description box, so if you see your name, be sure to comment your email and I will contact you. This way I just know it's like the actual person and not someone who just made an account to like have the same name, you know? So anyways, sorry if I sound really nasally. It's because I'm like on the verge of getting sick. I just got back from San Francisco last night. But yeah, today's video is sponsored by Princess Polly. They let me choose some really cute pieces from their website, so I'm just going to be showing you guys that today, along with some other like clothing items that I've purchased from like Urban Outfitters and Forever 21. But yeah, I'm super excited because Princess Polly is one of those Australian retailers, and I feel like Australia's like fashion retail is like a lot better than America's for some reason. They're just, everything there is like so like trendy and like cute. So a lot of these pieces I will probably be wearing to Coachella this year. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm just gonna show you guys all the pieces and try them on for you guys, since it's like nice to get a feel of what it looks like on a person. And I will also be listing all of the items down below, and I also hooked it up with a promo code. I have a promo code for you guys, and it's Joyce20. You guys can get 20% off your entire order, which is awesome. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started and shut up. So, okay. Y'all. So this coat, let's talk about this coat. Okay, I have seen this on social media. You guys can probably already tell what it is, even though it's just like a black blob. This coat. You guys have seen this coat on Instagram and just social media like probably 100 times. Like the exposure I've had to this coat is ridiculous, but they sent this to me, and it is the Pixie coat from Princess Polly. It's super cute. It's like this big black like shearling wool type of feel, and it blocks out all the wind. It's like, this is probably the heaviest coat I own now, because like living in Southern California, you don't really get a chance to wear coats. But yeah, it's super cute. It's black, so it goes with everything, and you can just throw this on. I love the oversized look it has, and like how the shearling kind of gives it like some texture. Okay, then next, on the complete opposite side of the spectrum, I got this cute little crop top from Princess Polly. So this is what it looks like. It's this tiny itty bitty crop top, and it's like this really cute grayish, like it reminds me of like a cloud. I don't know why, like this gray color. It has very thin spaghetti straps. So next, I picked out this really cute black lace bodysuit. This is a size extra small, and it's just completely lacy and see-through. But yeah, I really love this bodysuit. I feel like it's super cute, and I love how on the back it has like some gold hardware, and there's like a little cutout. Unfortunately, I thought this would be a little bit more opaque so I could wear it like to Coachella and like to the daytime, but the nips are fully not covered. I picked up a pair of black skinny jeans from Princess Polly. These are just a pair of black skinny jeans, but my favorite part is the hem on the bottom. I love like these raw edge cuts. For some reason, I feel like the ones that have like the double stitching just look too like put together, so I really like it when it's just kind of like cut across with scissors and it's kind of frayed. But the next thing I got was this white strapless like romper dress type of situation. Princess Polly has amazing dresses and mini dresses. I really wish I picked up more, but this is what it looks like. It has like a rounded thing going on at the top, so it's super flattering, and then it has a zipper on the back, and my favorite part is like the crisscross skirt type of thing. This is the next piece. It is this adorable lemon dress, and it has this back cutout with like a bow tie right here. I think it's so cute. I'm obsessed with the color yellow right now, as you guys know. But yeah, I just love this dress so much. I feel like it's the perfect spring summer dress. It's super flattering. I have a dress that's like in the same shape or like style as this, but a different fabric. All right, moving on, I picked up this black crop top. This is just a ribbed, like lettuce edged, is this what it's called? Crop top. It's super soft, it's very stretchy, and I feel like this is just really cute to like tuck into some jeans. It has a mock neck at the top. All right, next up we have these pants. Okay, we just need to take a moment for these pants. These are also pants I've seen on social media a lot, but I think if I hadn't been exposed to them so much, I wouldn't be like as obsessed with them as I am. But these are these orange plaid bell bottoms, and they're high-waisted. Definitely gonna have to get them hemmed because my legs they're literally like on the floor right now. Like they go up to my boobs. Alright, so I also got this super cute white skirt. It's one of those like wrap skirts, and it's like made out of this crepey material with frayed edges. Like the hem is all frayed up, so it looks really, really worn in. And I just love how this looks. It has like a little wrapping part on the front. You guys probably can't tell when I'm holding it up, but it looks like that, and it just kind of ties around it. So I just feel like this is super cute. It's very like, I don't know, it gives me like Santorini vibes, you know what I mean? Alright, then I picked up this yellow crop top because I just love the color yellow. Can't get enough. And I think this is really cute because the straps actually tie together, so it literally looks like nothing as I'm holding it up, but you tie it together like that, and then it has these little buttons going down the front. So I picked up a pair of these swim bottoms. So these are just ribbed, and they're very, very high-waisted. They're very cheeky, and I saw these and I thought they would be perfect for tanning because I have the weirdest tan lines. When I wear swimsuits and stuff, they have like braids on the back and like cutouts, and I tan super easily, so if I go outside I'm gonna end up with a tan line most likely. And I wear different swimsuits, so like last summer I literally had different designs on my body, and it looked really, really weird because like my skin was just many different colors and there was a lot of different designs and cutouts on my body. So I picked up these because I feel like these are good for, you know, tanning. So they're very cheeky obviously, but I feel like they're cute. Alright, then the last clothing item that I got from Princess Polly is this adorable bodysuit. It's like kind of this wider, almost off the shoulder top, but it has a cutout in like this area and it has a little bow here, so I think this is super cute. Okay, and then I got 3 more things. So this is a clutch. I've never owned a clutch before because I usually just wear like bags or like crossbodies that like, you know, I can go hands-free with. But in case I ever need a clutch, now I have one. I feel like this one's super cute. It's like black leather and it has these little crosses on it. I got this belt, so I've been wanting like a studded belt for super long. It's really cute, and I just don't really have that many belts, so I feel like this one's more interesting because it has somewhat of a design on it because all of mine are pretty plain. Alright, then the last thing from Princess Polly are a pair of shoes. So these are really just like cool. Like that's literally the only word I can use to describe them. But this is what they look like. So they're like this reflective like patent leather. It's like a gunmetal bronzy color, and I just feel like it looks so cute. It has like the pointy tips. So yeah, these are just really unique to me. I feel like they just look so cool. Alright guys, so that was everything from Princess Polly. Just shout out to them one more time for sponsoring this video and sending me these adorable pieces. I literally love everything, and everything will be linked down in the description in case you guys want to purchase anything and use my promo code. Alright, but moving on to other things that I purchased myself. So first, I went to H&M, and the first thing that I got was this blue, like, hoodie, I guess. I just really like this cobalt blue color. So yeah, it's just cobalt blue. It's super plain, but I love the colors, so yeah. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna go through H&M pieces really quickly. So this is a little lace, eyelash lace cami. It's black, it's like pretty silky, and it has the spaghetti straps. But yeah, I've seen this on Urban Outfitters for like $70, but I knew I could buy it from like H&M or Zara or Forever 21 for a lot cheaper, so this was literally like $6. Quality is actually like not terrible, so. Okay, and then the other thing from H&M that I got was this black draped cami. So this is like another style or like trend that's been circulating for a while. I saw a cami like this at Reformation when I went to the store in LA, but it was literally like $80, and it's literally just a cami, so I was like, I feel like I can find it somewhere cheaper. So found one on H&M for like $8. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. Okay, moving on to Urban Outfitters. I got some jeans there. So these are the, what is this called? Mom high-rise. I got them in a size 24. These are just like a gray color, and they're super flattering on. I don't know, they're like kind of baggy, but like not really. And then I also picked up these. So yeah, I also picked up these girlfriend high-rise. I really honestly don't know the difference between the mom and the girlfriend high-rises because to me they look the same. But these are this blue color. I just wanted like a, you know, medium blue wash. These are honestly my favorite jeans right now. They're just so like, so basic, but they go with like a lot of things. Alright, then from Urban Outfitters, I also got this, like, honestly I don't even know what this is. It's just like a white creamish sweatshirt. It's super soft and it has like this interesting like sleeve thing going on. So yeah, I got this in a size medium because they didn't have a size small, and I just wanted like lounge clothing. It's from the brand Out From Under, which if you guys know, it's Urban Outfitters like intimates lounge wear brand. So everything they have is so soft. Like this is just really soft. Okay, then I picked up this cami, which I'm really excited about. I have this style in like white and black from Free People, and it looks really cute, but I thought this one was just adorable, and it's from Urban Outfitters. It's this rose color, but it has like these silver, like, I don't know if you guys can see if it's, I honestly, can you tell? I can't tell if you guys can see it, but basically it's a little bit sparkly because it's like woven into the fabric, and it's ribbed. It's super stretchy, but I just feel like this looks really cute with all the strappy things happening in the back. Like there's just, it's just there, you know? Okay, and then I placed an order on Forever 21, so I picked up a few things. So most of them are basics, but this is a white mock neck ribbed long sleeve top. I thought this would be just a really good basic for next year when I move to Boston. It's good for layering, I guess. I don't have, like, I literally have like one long sleeve shirt, so I just thought I needed to get some more. Okay, then I got these really basic tank tops from Forever 21. These are literally just cropped like tank tops, like they're not spaghetti strap or anything. So I got the same thing in black because they're just so inexpensive, and they are 100% cotton, so the quality is actually not terrible, but yeah, they were just really cheap. All right, then I picked up this sweater. This was actually from a really long time ago because I remember wearing this during December, but I never hauled it, and I literally wore it for like pictures. So this is what it looks like. It's a mock neck like knit sweater. It's ribbed. It's a little bit baggy and slouchy. I just feel like it's super cute. I love the color red, and like I love like really bold colors right now for some reason, so I just thought this was super cute. Yeah, and I picked up this skirt from Forever 21. This gives me like secretary vibes. It's this plaid pattern, and it has like this silver O-ring that zips down. But yeah, I typically don't wear skirts, but this one is from their contemporary collection. I'm honestly like getting like out of breath because I'm tired and sick, so I'm just gonna go through these a little bit faster. These are from Forever 21. They have a zipper on the side, and these actually fit really nicely. They're a size small, and they're not like super tight, but they are fitting, like they're like pretty bodycon. Okay, I got these like trousers from Brandy Melville. They're very similar because I was on like this, when I'm on like a hunt for an item like the plaid pants, I will literally buy them from like every store that I see, and then I'll try them on and then return like all the ones I don't really like. But I ended up really liking these, and these are just like, you know, another pair of plaid pants from Brandy Melville, but they're a little bit darker. The other ones are like more gray, and this one's, you know, more navy and black. All right, super quickly, got some tops from Brandy Melville. I picked up this yellow mustard crop top. It has like a little cut in the, a little slit in the middle. Super cute. And then I got this white top. I have a really similar one to this, but it ripped because Brandy Melville quality is not the best. But this one is ribbed, and it basically is just a white top, but it has like an incredibly low V-neck line, and I like this because I like to wear like a bralette under that has like strappy things, so I think it looks really cute. Okay, then a few more things. Sorry you guys, I'm getting like really tired. So I got a pair of Gymshark leggings because I've just seen the hype on, you know, every like fitness blogger that I follow, and the thing with Gymshark leggings is like they're really interesting because all my leggings are just plain and black, and these are like compression tights almost because they're really tight. The thing about them is like the coloring on the butt, so when you wear them your butt looks even nicer because of like the light. It's like a contour basically, but it just looks so good and it makes your butt look really good. Okay, and then the last thing that I bought were a pair of socks from Forever 21. So these are crew socks, and they are gingham, and they're really cute, and I feel like, I don't know why I bought these, but they were $2. Alright guys, so that was everything from my haul. Sorry I sound so like I'm dying in this video. I'm just sick, and this is like the beginning of it. Like I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get worse before I get better. But yeah, this was everything that I've picked up over the past few weeks. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys like find some new cute clothes or whatever. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I go full out when I rehearse, run it back like reverb. Wonder if they care how many cigarettes in each verse. Fifi on a feature.
There's like a herd of old people on like the wheelie machines, and they're all watching me film. So okay, there's actually like 10 of them. Like where the fuck did y'all come from? Please stop looking at me. Also, you guys, today I put my lashes underneath my real ones. Like they're glued to like my waterline right now, and it's honestly like amazing. Like I feel like they look so good. Let me know if they don't look good, actually. But yeah, I don't know if this is safe or not. I don't know how often I'm gonna do this because like your lashes are supposed to like, protect your eyes from like getting things in them, and I'm putting like lashes and glue like literally on my eyeball. So yeah. All right. Bye.